Mission Life initiative, the Dettol Climate Resilient Schools project supported by Reckitt is launching the Uttarakhand Biodiversity Discovery Kit. This kit is being unboxed for the first time here today. To do the honors, I would like to invite back on stage Komal Goswami and two young hygiene warriors, Nupur Jakhar and Yashika. So can I please have you all on stage? And Ayushman and Gaurav, I request you to please unbox this kit.
Yeah.
We have been talking about why Uttarakhand. I think we just spoke about it with Bhumi. We've spoken of, this is the kit. And also we also have the hygiene resilient schools. So yeah, you can, Gaurav can hold it, yeah. Yeah, so please open the kits. The two kits, the Uttarakhand Biodiversity Discovery Kit and the Kiara kits. Komal, if you can tell us, while they're unboxing it, if you can tell our viewers.
Yes, absolutely. So we have been talking about Uttarakhand and climate change in our session. We realized that our children needs to know about climate change and biodiversity in details, right? So we came up with these two very brilliant kits. So this one is Kiara kit. This is made by a graduate, pursuing graduate from Stanford University. These are the characters. They talk about nature machines. They talk about, children's inquisitiveness about photosynthesis, biomimicry, etc. And then we have this biodiversity kit. It talks about the state bird called Monal of Uttarakhand. That's what children wants to know about. It has A to Z climate dictionary, which actually can teach children about the flora, the fauna, the rainfall, the thunderstorms, and entire
everything about
Uttarakhand.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we have made nature journals in it. We have stickers. So and this is curated by the children from the Uttarakhand. So we had this very fun painting competition, and we just told children, you draw whatever you want to draw about climate and climate change, what you want to see your future into, and that's how we came up with this kit, biodiversity kit, and Kiara.
That's their creativity. Congratulations! Thank you so much, Ayushman and Gaurav, for unboxing that.